Hey, thanks for tuning in with us. Behind me is a 69 Mach 1 428 double R code. Stick around, I'm gonna get you more familiar with this vehicle. That's cosmetic condition, it's mechanical makeup. We're gonna go for a drive and you'll find out what double R code means. This car has been a recipient of a very detailed rotisserie restoration. The paint is all new and like glass. The chrome, the braidwork, the grille, the lights, the bezels, just about every piece that makes one of these cars up has been either original and restored or replaced with new reproduction. It's looking like $1 million bucks. Paint is like glass. I don't have any blemishes to tell you about. The fitment on our headlight buckets, our hood defender, it's exactly what you'd want. She's got the nice splitter downstairs, adding to the attitude. You get these hood pins out of the way. So we got the blackout hood treatment finished in the correct satin finish, matching that big shaker hood. Love me an R code. Beautiful. Now what's cool about this car, not only is it a factory born R code, it actually has its original numbers matching engine. The VIN stamp is present and legible on the back of this engine block. Big old 4-barrel carburetor up underneath this correct shaker. She is running like a top. Over here you see we got an Autolite battery topper. Some of the original stickers, original style stickers, you see them on the driver's side shock tower as well. This is just a raw driver's car. Manual brake, manual steer. There was no frills, just power and go. Now this car's look has been heightened by a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels. They're 15-inch with a custom paint blown on them. Brand new tires. It's a 235/60 R15. Disc brakes with slotted rotors, Mach 1 graphic, looking fly and laid on nice and level. The gaps are kick butt. The bright work, the chrome, the badging, all new components. This thing looks like it just rolled out of the showroom. 255/60 15s, badass. It's a factory 350 Traction-Lok rear end in that 9-inch axle housing. Have the rear louvers and the spoiler helping complete the look. And of course, the quad exhaust tips. Ooh, baby. Let's check out the trunk. Very smooth action on the trunk release. Got factory style floor mat in here. Full size spare with the jack and lug wrench. And that is the factory Mach 1 wheel. With the car, if you want them, is a set of factory wheels. They're chrome. They've got nice tires on them. We might even pop up a picture of what this car looks like on the stock wheels. This is just kind of a heightened day 2 look with a bigger tire to fill out those arches. Passenger side tells the same story. It's a dual sport mirror car. Again, killer gaps, wonderful body, excellent paint. Whew. Wow, they've done a really good job getting these door latches dialed in. Those open like a brand new car. Original door tag present, tire pressure sticker present. Door cards look awesome. One of the options with these cars was these door speakers, and it's got them. Seat covers, carpet kit, all brand new. Dash pad looks brand new. The instruments are looking fly. It's a factory tack car, which I love to see. Speedo runs up to 120. There's 19,000 miles shown. However, there's only about 1,000 miles on the restoration. Temp gauge, fuel pressure gauge. Other than that, no frills. The original radio, the factory AM, was replaced with a retro sound. So it fits into the factory location, nothing's cut or drilled. However, this can play AM, FM, and even Bluetooth. Factory heater controls downstairs, factory ashtray. We've got a C6 automatic behind this big block, 3-speed doing its thing. Nice wood inlays all around. Over here, some more wood grain and an in-dash clock. Original owner's manual. Nice new center console door. Let's check out the rear. Nice looking floor mat in here, matches the front, and this does have the correct carpet kit in it. The Mach 1s have these red kick pads, which look cool. Inner cards look good. Rear seat's been recovered. It's a fixed seat, so you get the package tray and less components to rattle. Interior lamps all appear to be working. Sail panel's nice and tight. The louvers just look cool from here. The glass is in good shape. Window seal looks good. Headliner nice and crisp. And a factory shoulder belt car with the date-coated seat belts. Original to the car. of the shop here. You're might be hearing my shoulder belt clack around behind me there. This thing rolls nice. Very smooth over all the bumps. These front disc brakes doing their thing. Stops pretty easily actually. Gauges in front of me are all working. I got my my Bluetooth paired up. Check this out. Pretty sweet. It's got a upgraded speaker in the factory dash here, and the door speaker's been upgraded as well. Oh man, this 428 eating it up. Woo! Man, when them secondaries open up, this thing just takes off. A little turn up here. There goes my phone. You get yourself into trouble in this thing. Alignment's really nice. The steering input is really sharp. Obviously it's raw without the assist, but man, wherever you point it, she goes. This is a fun car. Quick recap, double R code. San Jose built cars got an R for that assembly plant. And of course, being a 428 R code, it got an R for that ram air hood. That is your double R code. I don't think it makes it any faster, but it's good. This car was originally delivered out on the West Coast. Clean, dry, living, no rust and salt. Now to get into the mechanical makeup. Numbers matching 428 engine, badass. No frills car, just slick wet paint, raw power on a hot set of torque thrust wheels. The originals, I've got them. They're wrapped in nice rubber. You can have them too. I certainly don't need them. I got enough of that stuff. If you want to see close-ups of the Marti report, close-ups around this car, inside this car, pictures up underneath it, be sure to check out the link in the description of this video. That link will take you over to the full listing on our website. We put out 100+ pictures of all our rides along with these video presentations. So if you're new around here, you'll know that this is a new arrival. YouTube sees them first. While you're down there clicking around looking for that link, feel free to hit the like button and the red subscribe. That will get our videos in front of you, our latest arrivals in front of you if you've been looking for your dream ride. Heck, even if you ain't been looking, you might just get hit with it one day and your life could change. Who knows? We'll see you guys next time. Appreciate you for listening and watching. Look forward to a great summer ahead.